How to fix 12 apps missing on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix 12 apps missing on your Android device. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can fix that issue. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bell in order to get notified about the new videos. So first of all, you just need to head over to the main settings of your device, and when you head over, you just need to scroll down a bit until you're able to see advanced features. When you click on advanced feature, you'll be able to find option called dual messenger. Just click on it, and here are by default these apps, in which if you toggle on this option, it will create a dual version of itself, like this messenger. Right now I'm just gonna tap on the toggle option, and when I tap on it, you can easily install a second copy of messenger, and that's how you basically do it. After that is done, you will be able to see your dual messenger here. And the next thing is, apart from those applications by default which is set, so if you're looking for any other applications dual version, you're just going to download the activity launcher into your device. After that, simply click on it and tap on OK. After that, wait for it to be loaded. After it is loaded, you'll be able to find all of the applications that are into your device, including the default apps, by default apps, and all of the applications. So you're just going to click on one of the applications. Let's say I'm going to click on Telegram right here. Just click on it. After that is done, after that, create a shortcut and tap on add, and the second one of that dual of Telegram should be also installed. Like in my home screen right now, you can see is the dual version of Telegram. So you may just follow the steps in order to fix your dual apps missing. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.